So hello there, hope you are doing great. So welcome to another video So in this video, we'll be showing you some very interesting things that we should know. So in this video, we'll be having a great look at LUTCreator.js. So this is a tool that can actually go to create your own lookup table files or even cube files, which is can be used for color grading in our video editing apps, including Premiere Pro, PowerDirector, and DaVinci Resolve. So if you want to grab, before we get started, be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so that we'll be updated on our next video. Okay, so what we can create our own. So well, as you may know that we have a lot of free plugins. Free color grading sections that our editor has to offer. But if you are trying to put this in Adobe, if you want to use the color grading in Lightroom to your video editing apps, no problem. This app is for you. So let's take a look at LUTCreator.js. So LUTCreator, I don't know, but let's see. Alright, so I have downloaded already from its GitHub page, which this is an online tool, but it's open source, so I downloaded it to use it locally on my computer to work. So let's see. Okay, so let's open up its HTML file. As you may know, so this is LUTCreator.js. So this tool might be having a good time to create your very own LUTs in just one simple click. So that's a nice touch to it. So I just slowing up the brightness because on the camera it doesn't see anything. So that's it. So if you want to use that, so first things first is to click on generate whole section. From here, I just modify this thing, so I have to put this into my own user interface, so I can re-upload this. So it's open source, no problem. Not to be worried about that. Anyway, so let's click on HALD64 size. So it's recommended, by the way. So you will see that we have downloaded the neutral 64.png. So this is the whole that I'm talking about. So it's ongoing from red to pink, from red to magenta, and green to cyan. So that means we are about to create a color grading to it. Let's see. Okay. Sorry about that. So all you need to do is to open up on any video editing app, whatever it's Photoshop or whatever it's Adobe Lightroom. So you can do this on smartphones also, but I'm going to put this in free, by the way. So anyway, let's open up the Adobe Lightroom Classic. This is a classic version of the Adobe Lightroom, as you may know, because it has two different versions from now. So this was called as Adobe Lightroom before, but since it has a mobile version, so they actually put this as Lightroom Classic. So if you want to, you can use Adobe Lightroom. It's either Lightroom or Lightroom Classic. So anyway, so from here, all you need to do is to import the whole HALD size. So let's click on import or hold. Yes, let's import the HALD or hold. Yes, so it's on the download section. Yes, on the download section. So let's uncheck all of it, and let's look for neutral 64. So this is it. Click on import. Okay, so let's go into develop section. So this will how it looks like. So if we are going to, so let's go ahead and apply my preset. So let's use Scene Anime 1 by someone creating on IG. So as you may know, this is as you may know that the color is different now. So but in this case, be sure to remove anything first, like texture. Yes, we have to remove the texture, clarity, and the details. So yeah, it's recommended to remove that first. Also, the sharpening are actually removed. The vignettes. Yes, and yeah, not much here. So if once you're done creating that, only to do is let's rename this first. So we have to copy that. Only to do is to click on file, then export. So on the export section, yes, choose folder later. So it's for preset. So let's click on export. So we'll go into the storage access framework again. So we're not on Android, by the way. So yeah, we'll go to our hard drive. I will go to save it right here. So let's go to LUT. Yeah, so let's see LUT. Then click on new folder. So raw file. Raw file. Then paste it right here. No, not there. So select folder. So as you may know that we are exporting this. So let's rename it as Scene Anime 1 by someone. So it's on the IG page. So I just get the settings. So we can use it in our video editing software. So all we need to do now is to open up the LUTCreator.js once again. Open its HTML file. So all we need to do is not generate anyway. So it says download HLLD, so I just convert as generate by website because it's on download from the source file. All we need to do is to convert into CUE file. So all we need to do now is to select the image. So let's click on the hard drive, this and LUT raw file, and this is our PNG file. So while you open this, as you may see, it doesn't do anything, but after a few seconds, the download is here. So you'll see that the download is successfully imported. So now, whatever you do, we're going to import now in PowerDirector. So you can now use this in PowerDirector. Well, I'm doing this already in PowerDirector, so let's do it in Premiere Pro instead. But before that, let's close our Lightroom Classic and let's open up the Premiere Pro. Anyway, so I must supposed to do in PowerDirector, but I'm already done with that. So let's try to do in Premiere Pro instead. So let's click on the new project. So let's try test COV file. So let's click on create. So when I click on enter, it will create itself. So that's nice. So all you need to do is to select the photo. So let's click on pictures. So you can do that. I will get my picture right here. So let's use the picture of my beautiful mother. also my classmates also. But yeah, let's use it right here. Then we can go into photos. Let's use 3x4 ones, which okay, so everything is color graded already, so we cannot do anything now. So let's put it right here. Or yeah, so anything is color graded. So yeah, I'm supposed to edit this. So yeah, I'm supposed to edit this, but everything is color graded now, so we don't have choice but to use arrows. So by the way, I can use my beautiful godmother picture. So let's create a sequence first. Let's choose widescreen mode. Alright, so let's put our 2 pictures right here. Okay, so if you see that it's too large, so it's scaled itself as the original resolution. So all we need to do is to right click the clips and set to frame size. So it will put in the actually in the same size, exact size in So yeah, this is my first time, but right now I'm just exploring a bit, and yeah, time to upgrade. Then CapCut. So yeah, yeah. My godmother Kay said, too much premium features in CapCut. So because it's very abused on pure features, so CapCut is now abused of premium features. So they actually upgrade to DaVinci Resolve, which you can do this in DaVinci. But for now, I'm going to do this in Premiere. So to not put the color grading one by one, you can click on this new item, then click on the adjustment layer, press on OK. So you can import that in adjustment layer. So this is a very useful thing if you want to color grade one by one. So all to do is to click this. So from here, since I have a lot here, so you can go into window, white space, and click on for the colors. So since I don't have one already because I have just set it up for the past 2 months, so yeah, we can go into limit your color window. So you can access it through a window and limit your color. From here, do not import on basic correction. So you have to click on creative. So you have to import that. So click on this drop down menu on the LUT category. Then you must browse. So let's go into my hard drive. So let's look out for the LUT, and this is our cube file that we imported last time. So while you double click it, yeah, it's taking a long time, but after that, you will see that it works. So yeah, I think it works. Okay, so nice. So yeah. So the difference is you will see we cannot show you on the camera because my camera is now color graded while I'm editing this video, so I can show you on the laptop instead. So while I'm dragging onto the timeline, you will see that it works for the fine. So yeah, works. So while I'm here, you'll see that it's faded. It's too much contrast, but I put this with color grading. Looks better than you think. So yeah, looks better. So aside from that, you can actually go into basic correction and adjust its exposure, contrast, even the highlights, shadows, and everything. So yeah, you can actually still adjust its settings according to the picture you have. So since it's yes, too much for me, so I have to put this back. Shadows and everything. So yeah, expression contrast. So yeah, we can do blacks one. So yeah, this that's good. About here. it's color graded. So which is nice, by the way. So yeah, this is a difference between the color graded one and the original one. So yeah. Yeah, as you may know that it's not possible to add color grading from Adobe Lightroom into Premiere, but now it's possible to do it because we have a tool that we can use. So yes, this is an online tool, but it's very open source thing, so that's nice. So which is I can use this for anything. So anyway, I just going to release the one of the popular IG that I'm going to setting up using my using our color graded preset. So I am using this preset for one of my IG pictures, which is good because I am do some sort of things. I can do anything. I can do color graded. So yeah. As you may know that I have stopped using LMC 8.4 for a long time, just because as you may see that yes, too much lag on the moment. But yeah, anyway, I just factory reset my device and maybe I can still install LMC 8.4, but I have to do some configuration settings which I can blur with portrait. So maybe we can do that. Also high quality image, we can do that also. So anyway, I just go to the increase the image. But if I try to import that in Premiere on the 4 GB of RAM that I have on my Dell laptop that I'm using, it's actually struggling to load. But this time I have to test here if it's possible to do it. But I saw everything that is not so okay, so I will do a sample for you. So where is it? Okay, so here is my photo. It's actually in 4K, but it's possible to import. Yeah, yes, high quality, which you may see right here. Yes, high quality, but look at this. Yeah, if I try to import and put it right here, it works. So yeah, so if I put, so yeah, it's struggling to load a little bit, but looks fine. Yeah, so because because the most part one here is the memory, which is the RAM to load Premiere Video Preview in entirely. So yeah, I just did the Adobe Premiere Pro test on the Visual Plus, which is nice. So yeah, which is good. I can still install LMC to increase the size of the picture, increase the resolution on it. So let's push the limit of our cameras. So yeah, LMC 8.4 is good because I can increase the size of the camera's RAW, which is sort of nice. So anyway, alright, so that's all for our video, and I hope you are enjoying this video. So yeah, I just did some I just did this editing thing on the Premiere for a long time. Then this is my experience right now. So yeah, yes, this is my concept for a long time and idea to upgrade to Premiere, but I can't do it because I don't have enough power on my old laptops to load Premiere. But right now it works. So if you don't, if you still wondering what is my new laptop, so you can find the description of the video, so you can explore what are my things that I'm using. So anyway, that's all for this video. So I hope you are enjoying this video. So if you do, be sure to subscribe, like and share. So yeah, that's all for it. See ya.